Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this set of videos we're talking about what you can do to come back to the United States after a deportation order. But one question that exists is what happens if you entered illegally the United States again after a deportation order? Well, normally a reinstatement of the deportation order will be issued. However, there are cases, and this depends on what jurisdiction you're in, but there are cases where the adjustment can be filed with a 212 permission to re-enter at the same time. The primary issue, however, especially if you happen to be in the Ninth Circuit, is if you re-entered illegally after a deportation order and after being in the U.S. illegally for more than a year, then generally they won't even consider the waiver for at least 10 years. However, if you re-entered illegally and more than 10 years has passed and they have not reinstated a deportation order, then what will happen is USCIS will defer to ICE's authority as to whether to institute or reinstate the deportation order, and if they don't, then they basically have agreed that they will can adjust the application along with 212 waiver while inside the United States. So if you have no other options, and this option does exist, it's a good way to go. But you have to understand that there, of course, is the risk that the moment you submit it, they will reinstate the deportation order. So you'll have to move quickly on it, and you'll have to make sure that it is fully documented in order to have a good chance of success. Okay, more on the coming videos.